was heading to Valladolid, my next city. It's hard saying goodbye to my friends, but life goes on, traveling goes on. Yeah, in like 2 hours I'll be in a new city, so. So we made it to Valladolid. I have no idea where I'm at. Looking for a hostel, I guess. I don't know, just walking. This is where a cell phone comes in handy, for sure. Don't have one of those. I'll find somewhere though, hopefully. Yo, downtown's crazy. He's carrying so much on his head, like it's nothing. Alright, so finally found a hostel, just got out of the shower. Pretty hungry and thirsty, so I'm gonna walk around. The guy at the hostel, he said to not take the tours, just kind of do them yourself. But I like meeting people, so I definitely want to make some friends while here. But we're gonna walk around the city a little bit and see what we can find. And see if we can go to like a cenote or something. I don't know. Oh, and get something to eat and stuff. These things are everywhere. Holy hell, you'll never guess what I just found. Pepperoni queso. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ooh. I guess I'm gonna go get a taxi and go to see some cenotes, and early tomorrow morning I'm gonna go to Chichen Itza around 4 or 5. If I can get up that early. But yeah, beautiful town. Let's go hang out, relax, take some pictures, maybe have some beers in a little bit. Look how pretty these streets are. We are in the main park. Look at that bad boy. Gorgeous. Can't go inside of it though, I guess it's closed. It is Christmas, so that makes sense. Ah. God, I'm thirsty. Wow. Pretty part. Real deal. Alright, we've made it to our first cenote. I'm about to walk down there. This is incredible. I think they're letting me jump off the cliffs too. Wow. That is gorgeous. Wow, that's top notch right there. Can't beat that. That right there, and ran dough into a front flip. Of course, nobody to record me, but I did it. I did that. Everybody clapped, standing ovation. It was fun. It feels great. Like it feels really good. That guy's been waiting to jump for like 10 minutes. I know it's a far fall, buddy. He's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. Yeah. Yeah. That was a lot of fun. I think I'm gonna leave, but very fun, very pretty. We'll have to check out more cenotes for sure. Well, I definitely snuck in because I did not pay that $30. That was crazy. God, it's nice though to have like a chillax day because I've been drinking so much lately with everybody else. So it's nice, you know, just kind of walk around, see some stuff. I'm ready to see Chichen Itza in the morning. Just woke up from like a 2-hour nap or so, maybe 3. It's starting to get dark. But walking back into town, see what I can find. Maybe a place where we can drink some beers. People that speak some sort of English. This place is definitely still open. Like there are people in there using it as a church. It's an old building. I guess only at night. Christmas Day. I like the way it lights up. Late night hostel walks. I've made a couple friends finally, thank God. But yeah, we're just gonna go into town, hopefully get some more beer because we're out. Had a good talk and laugh with him. And the guy who works nights here, he's pretty funny. He was here when I got here this morning. And he was like the only one that spoke English. Damn, that's the pizza delivery man. That pizza can't be late. Don't close.
There's a bar here and a bar there. That's the only one we know.
There's one over here?
Yeah,
in the plaza?
They put like music super loud but there is nobody.
There's nobody there. Maybe now. Closing down for Christmas. And somehow, watching episodes of South Park was a perfect ending to our Christmas night. Valladolid, Mexico. Valladolid, Mexico. They're having service this morning. And, amazingly enough, I managed to get up early for the first tour of Chichen Itza. Nobody's here.
Although I was eating a sandwich in Italy and had the camera around my neck and oil dropped into the screen of the camera.
What?
Yeah. And so now it's all distorted.
Oh, Lord.
I didn't fix it.
Of course there's a line. I thought we beat the rush.
Imagine how bad it's gonna be. This is the best way to get it.
Yeah.
If he stands here, just stares at you with his puppy dog eyes. This line is not moving very fast, is it?
It's not open yet, so it's
Oh,
not gonna move.
Almost there.
It's on my list.
There's another one over there. This is one of the wonders of the world. Chichen Itza was a large pre-Columbian city built by the Maya people of the Terminal Classic period, somewhere around AD 600 to 900. It is one of the most visited archaeological sites in Mexico with over 2.6 million tourists in 2017. Whoa. Don't fall. Almost there. Always know your limits. During its prime, the site was a major regional capital, centralizing and dominating political, social culture, economic, and ideological life in the northern Maya lowlands. Can't see it behind the pearl. These guys probably literally kill him. I bought a t-shirt, that's it. Somebody tried to sell me a bracelet. I almost caved in, but I stayed strong. This is where they competed, and they had to get the ball through that ring and that ring. And if you didn't get the ball through the ring, you died if you lost. But yeah, this used to be a sport, ancient Mayan sport. This is the arena. I think we're about to leave and go to cenote, but still very, very cool. This is the way to the cenote here at Chichen Itza. Cenote at Chichen Itza. No swimming. However, I would jump. Just no getting back up. This is a nightmare. Waiting for a bus. Alright, we're heading to the cenote. What's it called? Cenote what? EQ. Red Bull cliff diving. Yes! Well, there it is. Said, here it is. Any person jumping from this distance will be taken to the authorities.
How was it?
Currently hitchhiking. They're all full. Damn it, Patty, why didn't you tell me hitchhiking was this hard? Gotta jump out in the road? After about nearly an hour of trying, we managed to finally get picked up and grabbed a bite in town. I think it's like 1 o'clock. I was supposed to check out my hostel like noon, so let's go make sure there's no problems there. Get my stuff and go to the bus station and try and get the next bus to Tulum. Alright. Out of the 10 people that the bus station had overbooked, I was one of them. Not the best way to spend 2 hours. We're going on day 5 of backpacking Mexico with no cell phone. Woo! That's not intentional though. That's totally my fault because I'm an irresponsible idiot sometimes. But man, let me tell you about the last 2 to 3 hours. Woo! Finally got out of Valladolid. I'm here in Tulum. Walking around trying to find a hostel, preferably one with a bar. And takes US dollars, but I mean, we'll see. Yeah, we got on the bus. The bus station in Valladolid oversold the bus. So we have like 15 people standing in the row, just standing up for 2 hours. And I was one of those 10 to 15 people. Now I'm not mad, because all that adversity just makes me stronger. But I mean, Why would you do that? Then this girl at the hostel, she's like at the front desk or whatever. Her boyfriend's there, and cool guy, man. He took me to his bar. He gave me a beer and buying me a shot. So like, it's his birthday tonight too. So I guess we're gonna party on top of the hostel roof. Should be a good time. I kind of miss partying. So yeah, here's a shot. I guess cheers to Mexico and being by yourself sometimes, not having a phone, but enjoying every experience you have because every experience is a new experience, of course. I'll drink to that. Let's do it. This hostel's pretty cool. It's got, some bike rentals. It's got a rooftop bar. The stairs are a little scary on the way up, but it's nice. Got a little gravel walkway on your first floor to the. What? I've never seen a gravel walkway. I'm just being dead honest. I've never seen one. Yeah, we're gonna get some to eat. After pigging out at this restaurant where literally everything was only 21 pesos, we went to the hostel and fell asleep.